We are halfway through 2020, a year that has been like no other for the world. A year that has demonstrated that, despite our differences, we are all the same who inhabit this world.
A year when peace came to the world.
Peace came to the world? Peace came to our world?
Yes, peace came to our world.
Listen, listen. Peace came to the skies. No aeroplanes overhead, just the sounds of birds revelling in having the sky to themselves. Listen, listen. Peace came to the roads. No cars or lorries on the roads.
Just the sound of footsteps having the road to themselves.
Listen, listen, peace to the nations. No sound of guns firing or missiles launching, just the sound of peace.
The sound of
peace. So what is peace? Freedom from disturbance. Tranquility. A state of mind. A period of no war.
An absence of conflict is the beginning of peace. Listen, listen to the sound of peace.
This global pandemic has allowed us all to stop, pause, think about a world where we all are sharing the same fight for once. The same enemy at the door for once. The same battle to be fought for once. We became a we, not I. It has allowed us to all look at nature in a new way, contemplate the skies, contemplate the roads, contemplate the lack of conflict. We became a we, not I.
It has allowed us all to look at helping others in a new way, contemplate our neighbours, contemplate our town or village, contemplate our community. We became a we, not I.
It has allowed us to enjoy moments in a new way, contemplate the beauty around us, contemplate the kindness around us, contemplate the humanity around us. We became we, not I.
It has allowed us to rewrite our stories, contemplate who we want to be, contemplate what we want our neighbourhood to be, contemplate our next steps, because we became a we, not I.
It has allowed us to believe in something, to contemplate the possibility that together we are kinder, to contemplate the possibility that together we are stronger, to contemplate the possibility that together we are united, contemplate the possibility that together we are at peace. Listen, listen to the roar of peace.
We here at Llangollen, a small town in a valley in North Wales, whose International Eistddfod each year since 1947 has shared the sound of peace with the children of the world. Now we share the roar of peace with every nation across the world. A world which, because of the virus, has been forced or encouraged or supported to look at itself, to see what we have become, to decide who we want to be, and make a real difference together. Not the politicians, not the scientists, not the armies, but us. Yes, that's right, us. Us who have become a we, not I.